and a very warm welcome to all of you present here, with a special mention to our Honorable Chief Guest, Mrs. and Mr. Kakkar, Mr. Sunil Sood, School Secretary, Mr. Anuj Bhutra, along with Principal Sir. Our school captain, Master Dushyant Sharma, is escorting our chief guest. मेरा यही अंदाज ज़माने को खलता है कि चिराग हवा के खिलाफ क्यों जलता है। मैं अमन पसंद हूँ, खूब बहती है अमन की गंगा, इसे बहने दो। मत फैलाओ देश में दंगा, इसे रहने दो। लाल हरे रंग में न बांटो हमको, मेरी छत पर एक तिरंगा रहने दो। ये नफरत बुरी है, न पालो इसे, दिलों में खलिश है, निकालो इसे। न तेरा न मेरा, न इसका न उसका, यह सबका वतन है, बचा लो इसे। Now, Mr. Kakkar is approaching towards flag post to unfurl national flag. So I request all of you to please stand. ना पूछो ज़माने को क्या हमारी कहानी है, हमारी पहचान तो सिर्फ यही है कि हम सिर्फ हिंदुस्तानी हैं। दिल हमारे एक हैं, एक ही हमारी जान, हिंदुस्तान हमारा है और हम उसकी शान। जान लुटा देंगे वतन पे, हो जाएंगे कुर्बान, इसलिए हम कहते हैं मेरा भारत महान। प्रोसीडिंग फर्दर, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आई वुड लाइक टू इनवाइट मिस्टर ऋषि पालीवाल फॉर देयर स्पीच।
Good morning to one and all present here. Honorable Kakkar sir, Kakkar ma'am, Sood sir, School Secretary Mr. Anuj Bhutra sir, Sushil ji. As you know that we are celebrating 72nd Republic Day. That was a long drawn history that we struggled at least 90 years for that purpose. This was started in 1857. Slowly, gradually, there are several groups who participated in it, moderates and non-moderate leaders, Bal Gangadhar Tilak, Lala Lajpat Rai, Bipin Chandra Pal, Mahatma Gandhi, Badruddin Ji Tayyab, Motilal Ji Nehru, Jawaharlal Nehru, Subhash Chandra Bose, Bhagat Singh, Vinayak Damodar Savarkar, Veer Chapekar, several, Ram Prasad Bismil, Ishfaq Allah Khan, uncountable people sacrificed for the nation. Basically, republic is a word taken from the Rig Veda. First time it was used for Gana, Sabha and Gana in southern India. Later on, it was used afterwards, our independence. We prepared world's largest constitution. In 1909, first time Parliamentary reform was introduced. Then in 1919, Montagu-Chelmsford reform was introduced. In the same year, Rowlatt Act was passed by Justice Rowlatt and opposed by Mahatma Gandhi. During the opposition of Rowlatt Act on 13th of April 1919, Jallianwala Bagh incident happened. Innocent people sacrificed their life. You can think about that. We are living in the area or arena where we are not having any freedom. We cannot judge the reality of the freedom because we are born in free country. If we born in the slavery, we cannot feel misuse our freedoms. So afterwards, slowly, gradually, we prepared our own constitution. Before the preparing of the constitution in 1927, Simon Commission came to India and it recognized Montagu-Chelmsford reform is appropriate for Indians. In 1928, Nehru report was presented. First time in 1929, 31st of December 1929 in Lahore, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru declared that we want complete independence, Purna Swaraj. We celebrated 26 January 1930 as a Purna Swaraj Day. That's why after our independence we adopted the same date as Republic Day. In 1946, Constituent Assembly was settled down and Constituent Assembly worked for 2 years, 11 months and 18 days to prepare this constitution with 395 articles, 22 parts and 8 schedules. Presently 448 articles, 25 parts and 12 schedules. Slowly, gradually making of the constitution for the vast country, it was a difficult task because we are having different art, culture, lifestyle and the peoples living in the different area. If we count the languages, regional languages, it is more than 1638 languages. To hold this kind of country and the problems from the princely state, but our constitution adapted the good things from all other countries' constitution. Critics says that it is only the cutting and pasting work, but in reality it was very hard work to hold the nation just like India, which having different kind of tradition, different kind of lifestyle. We are having fundamental rights and we taking the fundamental rights from different countries, from Ireland also, somehow from French Revolution we inspired from that. We are having 6 fundamental rights, although we are having 7, but in 1976 it changed only for 6 to 6 fundamental rights, basic fundamental rights we are having: right to equality, right to freedom, right against exploitation, right to religious freedom, cultural and educational right, right to constitutional remedy. These all are from Article 14 to Article 32. These rights are the safeguard for each and every person's dignity. To the people, for the people and by the people is the ideology of our constitution. And as we know that this is the most critical year for us, that we all are facing several challenges. I listened the speech of Honorable Kakkad sir on 15th August when he said that this is the time to renew yourself, put a pause button and renew yourself. That is, in reality, it was the right time for each and everyone to judge ourselves, to check ourselves, either we are doing good or bad things. In this COVID period, we learned lot of things which were not learned by us, and on that day sir said that it was a sea change. It was hard for everyone to work with this change, and if you want to learn, you can learn. The sky is the limit, and we agreed with that one. slowly, gradually we learn the things. This year gives so many things. Although we are missing all the children, but it gives us so many things that stop the extra burden, economic burden from each and everyone. We can celebrate all the functions very simply. There is no issue for social gathering. I am ending my words with the famous quote of Robert Frost's poem, Stopping by the Woods in a Snowy Evening. Woods are lovely, dark and deep, but I have promises to keep. Miles to go before I sleep, miles to go before I sleep. These lines are found on the table of Jawaharlal Nehru when he was dead. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Mr. Rishi Paliwal, for sharing such important knowledge with us. युवा वर्ग सक्षम हाथों से आगे इसको सदा बढ़ाए, इसकी रक्षा में वीरों ने अपना रक्त बहाया है, गणतंत्र दिवस फिर आया है. Now, I would like to invite Ms. Nirmala Ranawat and Mr. Madan Lal for their song on leadership.
हम सब हाथ मिलाए, दिल से दिल टकराव बनाए, आओ बनाए, राह बनाए, आओ हम सब हाथ मिलाए, दिल से दिल टकराव बनाए, राह बनाए.
many thanks to both of you. One flag, one land, one heart, one hand, one nation, and evermore. The life of a nation is secure only while the nation is honest, truthful, and virtuous. As we all know, that investiture ceremony is one of the most awaited ceremony in which the school leaders pass on their duties and responsibilities to the new council of the school. The investiture ceremony is a solemn occasion where all the young students are prepared to don the mantle of leadership and discharge the responsibilities entrusted upon them by the school. Now, I would like to request Master Dushyant Sharma to start the ceremony with a welcome speech.
The land of various deities, festivals, communities, customs, where different individuals from different communities celebrate together each and every function. It is India. No wonder India is incredible. Good morning, everybody. As we all have gathered here today to celebrate our 72nd Republic Day, I, Dushyant Sharma, take this opportunity to welcome you all in this program. The flags are flying. It is a great pleasure to start with this auspicious occasion with a welcome speech. I feel elated to take the opportunity to cordially welcome our chief guest of this startling morning, Mrs. and Mr. Kakkar. I deem it a great honor to welcome Anuj sir and all the other guests. I would also like to welcome Principal Sir of our school, Mr. Sanjay Gupta, a man with distinct vision, a fountainhead of illustrative ideas and an idol of experience to all of us. Now, I would like to welcome all the staff members, students who are an integral part of this occasion. I would like to end my words by a poem. धरा हिला गगन गुजा, नदी बहा पवन चला, विजय तेरी, भुजा भुजा पड़क पड़क, रक्त में धड़क धड़क, धनुष उठा प्रहार कर, तू सबसे पहला वार कर, अग्नि सी धधक धधक, हिरण सी सजग सजग, सिंह सी दहाड़ कर, शंख सी पुकार कर, रुके न तू, तू सबसे पहला वार कर, जय हिंद।
Thank you, Dushyant. Now, I would like to invite Principal Sir to let us know about investiture ceremony.
Honorable Chief Guest, Mr. Kakkar, Mrs. Kakkar, Mr. Sunil Sood, Mr. Anuj Budra, Mr. Sushil Gupta, staff members of the school and students. Today we are having two occasions, that is Republic Day as well as investiture ceremony. This ceremony we used to have in the month of July earlier, but due to pandemic we could not have this ceremony, and the freshers, means the 11th, they were waiting for it to have this ceremony. And when I requested the management, they agreed that we can have this ceremony on a very small scale. Children, as you know, that leaders are not born, they are created. And if you have that zeal to learn, that means if you're getting this chance to be a leader of any place, whether it's school or anywhere, it means that you have something. The potential is there, only it has to be extracted. So the children who are they are outgoing council, they should not feel relaxed. Whatever you have learned in a year, you have to keep this in your mind, and now you have to implement. Because just after a few months you'll be entering your new world, that is your world of career, and where you'll be getting this opportunity, you have to grab those opportunities now. Because here we were after you there you have to see that from where you can learn the things, because no one is going to find you that what ability you have. You have to show your own ability. And in the same manner, the freshers, the incoming council, whatever they have seen the outgoing council had done, they have to follow them and do something extra so that they may learn more things. Hope that all of you are going to take up, this new council will take up as a challenge. And it is my request to the outgoing council also that till you are here in the school, you have to keep give guidance to these children so that they should not be lost. As you people also have got a lot of ideas from your seniors. In the same manners, you also have to see these children. Thank you so much, and hope that whosoever is going to take up the command will take up this the name of the school at a very great height. And all the best for your new venture, children, and for class 12th, all the best for your coming future. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Principal Sir. So, to begin this ceremony, first of all, I would like to invite Agni House Master Hitendra Kumar Mukul to honor Agni House Vice Captain Master Gaurav Singh Shekhawat. Agni, the motto of Agni House is the united minds. Agni is red in color. It is seen in fire also, and is also seen in the sun. The Agni has the power to enlighten things and making the impure things pure. The red color represents affection and slenderness of any character, and hence this color inspires the world to enlighten with its true love and affection and slender character. I would like to invite Agni House Captain Ms. Neha Tucci. आज नई सज-धज से गणतंत्र दिवस फिर आया है। नव परिधान बसंती रंग का माता ने पहनाया है। भीड़ बड़ी स्वागत करने को बादल झड़ी लगाते हैं। रंग बिरंगे फूलों में ऋतुराज खड़े मुस्कुराते हैं। धरती माँ ने धानी साड़ी पहन श्रृंगार सजाया है। गणतंत्र दिवस फिर आया है। गणतंत्र दिवस फिर आया है। Invitation to Amber House, whose housemaster is Mr. Mukesh Verma. He will honor Vice Captain Ms. Bhumi Soni. The yellow color is of gold. It is pure, glorious and beautiful when blended with precious stones. It is also the symbol of wealth and power. Now, I would like to invite Captain Master Swastigiri. One needs to be like gold, pure at heart, having the beauty of character and gain wealth and power with hard work. Proceeding further, I would like to invite Prithvi House Master Dr. Devendra Puri Goswami sir to honor Master Vice Captain Master Punit Bharadia. Green color represents nature, which we perceive on the earth. Earth is a symbol of tolerance and has seen life from its origin. The earth teaches us to be prosperous, fruitful and happy, just as the green color in nature. Now I will invite Captain Now it's turn of Varun House. Varun House Housemaster Mrs. Mridhu Sharma is invited to honor Vice Captain Miss Priyanka Nahar. Now it's turn of Varun House. Varun House Master Mrs. Madhu Sharma is invited to honor Vice Captain Ayush Gadolia. The blue color is in the sky. The sky is vast and immortal. Blue color gives peace and soothing effect to our soul. Our dear students need to look into the vast and immortal sky to receive true peace and purity of soul. Now, Vice Captain Master Ayush Gadolia. भारत के इस अखंडता को तिल भर आंच न आने पाए, हिंदू मुस्लिम सिख ईसाई मिलजुल इसकी शान बढ़ाएं। Now it's turn of school council. Discipline is the factor that makes us learn all the principles required to be successful in life. So here comes Discipline Vice Captain Miss Ayushi Vyas, and to honor her, I invite Mrs. Nisha Mishra. जनमन का मान तिरंगा, हम सबकी पहचान तिरंगा। भारत नया जोश केसरिया, कहता उनकी अमिट कहानी। मातृभूमि हित तन मन देकर अमर हो गए जो बलिदानी। वीरों का सम्मान तिरंगा, हम सबकी पहचान तिरंगा। श्वेत रंग सबको समझता, सदा सत्य ही ध्येय हमारा। है कुटुंबीय जग सारा, ही बहे प्रेम की अविरल धारा। मानवता का गान तिरंगा, हम सबकी पहचान तिरंगा। Now, I would like to invite Discipline Vice Captain Miss Dimple Raj Ranawat, and to honor her, I request Mrs. Nisha Mishra. हरे रंग की हरियाली से जन जन में खुशहाली छाए। हो सदैव धन धान्य अपरिमित, हर ऋतु सुख लेकर ही आए। अमित सुखों की खान तिरंगा, हम सबकी पहचान तिरंगा। Now, I invite Discipline Captain Master Hari Rathi, and to honor him, I would like to invite Dr. Mahesh Kumar Tripathi. तीन रंग का नहीं वस्त्र ये, ध्वज देश की शान है। हर भारतीयों के दिलों का यही स्वाभिमान है। यही है गंगा, यही है हिमालय, यही हिंद की जान है। और तीन रंगों में रंगा हुआ ये अपना हिंदुस्तान है, ये अपना हिंदुस्तान है। Moving ahead, for sports fan and sports teacher, sports are about those incredible moments where sheer human melt and desires overcome the odd. For getting responsibilities, I would like to invite Master Gaurav Singh Shekhawat, and to honor him, Miss Nirmala Ranawat is requested. Miss Bhumika Sisudia is invited. And to honor her, Miss Nirmala Ranawat is requested. It's turn of sports captain, Master Hashish Sharma, and to honor him, I would like to invite Mr. Ramjas Jat. Co-curricular activities are those activities which are undertaken along with academic studies. These activities supplement academic curriculum and help in learning by doing. Now, I would like to invite CCA Vice Captain Master Mukul Toshniwal, and to honor them, Mrs. Rosie Grace and Mrs. Indu Birla are invited. छोर मुक्ति पट का श्रोणी पर, मुक्त गगन में मुक्त पवन में इसको ऊंचा उड़ने दो, भारत का झंडा उड़ने दो। पुण्य भूमि के गद गौरव का जुड़ने दो, जी जान से जुड़ने दो। मान मान सर का शतदलीय, लहर लहर का लहरे, भारत का झंडा हमेशा फहरे। Now, I would like to invite CCA Captain Master Sanidhya Sharma, CCA Vice Captain Ms. Bhumi Chaturvedi, and to honor them, Ms. Rosie Grace and Indu Birla are invited. रक्तपात पर अड़ा नहीं ये, दया दंड में जड़ा हुआ, खड़ा नहीं पशु बल के ऊपर, आत्मशक्ति से बड़ा हुआ। इसको छोड़ कहाँ वह सच्ची विजय वीरता ठहरे, भारत का झंडा यूं ही फहरे। Now is turn of Master CCA Captain Master Sanidhya Sharma, and to honor them, I would like to request Mr. Sunil Sood along with Principal Sir. इसके नीचे अखिल जगत का होता है अद्भुत आह्वान, कब है स्वार्थ मूल में इसके, है बस त्याग और बलिदान। ईर्ष्या द्वेष दंभ हिंसा का हृदय हार का हरे, भारत का झंडा फिर से फहरे। Vice Captain, whose duty is to assist Captain in taking decisions, building strategies, supporting Captain, but in absence of Captain, he does everything that Captain is needed to do. So, to honor School Vice Captain Ms. Bhumika Jaiswal, I would like to invite Mrs. Kakkar. मात्र मंदिर का झंडा क्या झुक सकता है, क्या मिथ्या भय देख सामने सत्याग्रह रुक सकता है। गहरे दिग दिवंत में अपनी विजय दुदंभी गहरे, भारत का झंडा यूं ही फहरे, भारत का झंडा यूं ही फहरे। Vice Captain Master Abhyuday Tarawat is invited, and to honor him, I would like to invite Mr. Anuj Bhutra along with Principal Sir. Most awaited post, the leader who takes team members together and leads the team with zeal and enthusiasm for the betterment of the school. If the team is united till end, it means the leader is best. Yes, the school captain, and I would like to invite Mr. Kakkar along with Principal Sir to honor our new school captain Ms. Divyanshi Rathore. sir for oath ceremony.
Let's take council oath. I'll read line by line. You repeat after me. I and my team swear to obey all school regulations, to be sympathetic and consider the interest of others, to fulfill our duties with honor and dignity, to understand the responsibilities that we must henceforth shoulder, not to allow popularity to deter us from what is correct, and to the best of our ability place service before self, thus upholding the ideals of our position and the name and honor of Birla Shiksha Kendra. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. A big round of applause to all the formal council members for the work and duties they have performed with great zeal and enthusiasm, for which school always remain indebted. To pay them gratitude, school gives a token of memory and affection to the outgoing council. To honor these leaders of BSK, I would like to request Principal Sir to give them token of love and affection. First of all, Varun House Vice Captain Master Parag Kothari is invited. Next, Varun House Captain Miss Akshita Basir. Then Prithvi House Vice Captain Master Rohit Suthar. Prithvi House Captain Miss Paridhi Jetlia. Ambar House Vice Captain Master Madhav Malani. Ambar House Captain Miss Palak Jain. Agni House Vice Captain Miss Manushri Naraniwal. Agni House Captain Master Khush Sharma. School Vice Captain Miss Aditi Jawar. School Vice Captain Master Mohit Modi. In discipline category, and discipline captain Master Harshit Sengar. In the sports category, School Vice Captain Miss Bhumika Das. School Vice Captain Boys Master Naman Nehlani. School Sports Captain Master Rishabh Niranjani. In CCA section, School Vice Captain Master Love Toshniwal. Master Rishabh Chaturvedi. School CCA Captain Miss Aditi Nain. Now the School Vice Captain Girls Miss Akanksha Joshi. School Vice Captain Boys Master Rohit Sharma. And most importantly, School Captain Master Dushyant Sharma. Thank you, sir. Proceeding further with our Republic Day program, in this session 2021, due to pandemic, all occasions were celebrated by teachers. Continuing this scenario, on the occasion of Republic Day, school has organized house-wise patriotic group song competition in which participants are housemaster and house associate teachers. So, to begin the competition, Varun House is invited with their song अब जाग उठो और कमर कसो मंजिल की राह बुलाती है. And the participants are Mrs. Mridhu Sharma, Mr. Jaideep Singh, Ms. Ritu Goyal, Mr. Bharat Sharma, Mrs. Priyanka Dashora and Ms. Preeti Tiwari. हमने अपने मौलिक सपने देश की खातिर बेचे हैं, लहू सींच कर चमन खिलाया, प्राण हलक से खींचे हैं। हमने सत्ताधीशों के पैरों से धरती छीनी है, कितने भागे खेत छोड़ कितनों ने लाशें बीनी हैं। After nice performance by Varun House, it's turn of Prati House, and they are coming with song चंदन है इस देश की माटी, तपोभूमि हर ग्राम है, हर बाला देवी की प्रतिमा, बच्चा बच्चा राम है। And the participants are Dr. Devendra Puri Goswami, Mrs. Nisha Mishra, Mrs. Mamta Mishra, Mr. Rajat Jaiswal, Mrs. Manju Saini, Mrs. Tara Sial, and Mrs. Manisha Soni.
यहाँ पर पूजा चल रही है, मेरी भी इबादत का वक्त हो गया है। आओ मैं भी नमाज पढ़ लेता हूँ।
कितना अच्छा देश है ये, जिसमें हर धर्म को स्वतंत्रता दी गई है अपने प्रचार प्रसार की। मैं भी आके अपने ईश्वर को याद कर लेता हूँ। हिंदू मुस्लिम सिख ईसाई आपस में है भाई भाई, हिंदू मुस्लिम सिख ईसाई आपस में है भाई भाई, हिंदू मुस्लिम सिख ईसाई आपस में है भाई भाई। अब हमारा अगला मूल अधिकार है शिक्षा और संस्कृति का अधिकार, जिसमें हर किसी को शिक्षा पाने का अधिकार हमारे सरकार ने हमें दिया है। हमारे संविधान में यह दिया गया है, शिक्षा और संस्कृति का अधिकार।
तुम यहाँ? हाँ, मैंने यहाँ आगे की पढ़ाई के लिए एडमिशन लिया है। तुम्हें पता है ये अमीरों और महंगी कॉलेज है, तो क्या हुआ? क्या गरीबों को पढ़ने का अधिकार नहीं है? इसके लिए मुझे सरकार ने स्कॉलरशिप दी है पढ़ने के लिए। स्कॉलरशिप? और तुम्हें पता भी है कितना खर्चा होगा। कोई बात नहीं, तुम इसकी चिंता मत करो। मैं डॉक्टर बनना चाहती हूँ, डॉक्टर बन के देश की सेवा करना चाहती हूँ। हमारे देश में अमीर हो या गरीब सबको पढ़ने का अधिकार है, सबको शिक्षा का समान अधिकार है। शिक्षा का अधिकार तुम्हें? बच्चों का नारा है शिक्षा का अधिकार हमारा है, बच्चों का ये नारा है शिक्षा का अधिकार हमारा है, शिक्षा का अधिकार हमारा है।
अब हमारा अंतिम अधिकार जो इन सब अधिकारों की आत्मा कहलाता है, जो उसका बचाव करता है अगर किसी भी नागरिक के साथ उसके अधिकारों का
उसे न्यायालय में जाने की अनुमति देता है। संवैधानिक उपचारों का अधिकार।
अरे मैडम क्या है?
ठहर जा, कहाँ जा रहा है इतना जल्दी?
मेरे को जल्दी है, जाना है।
अरे जल्दी है तो मेरे को सिग्नल नहीं दिख रहा है।
मैडम का जानो नहीं, का कौन हूँ?
अरे कौन है तू?
मैं एसपी का चला हूँ।
अच्छा, एसपी का बेटा है, तब तो तेरा डबल चालान बनाना पड़ेगा।
मैं पापा को फोन करूँगा अभी।
लो, कानून की रखवाली करने वाले ही कानून का नियम तोड़ रहे हैं।
मैडम क्या हो गया?
तुमको पता है कानून सबके लिए बराबर होता है, भले ऊंचा हो या नीचा। सामान्य व्यक्ति के लिए भी कानून सबके लिए एक है। सबको इसके नियमों का पालन करना चाहिए।
गलती होगी मैडम, गलती होगी, अब ना होगी।
देखा आपने, आज हमने मूल अधिकारों के बारे में बताया और हमें अपनी सोच बदलनी पड़ेगी। इसलिए मेरा यही कहना है, सोच को बदलोगे तो
सितारे बदल जाएंगे।
सोच को बदलोगे तो
सितारे बदल जाएंगे।
नजर को बदलोगे तो
नजारे बदल जाएंगे।
नजर को बदलोगे तो
नजारे बदल जाएंगे।
अगर पानी है मंजिल
तुम्हें तुम्हारी,
अगर पानी है मंजिल
तुम्हें तुम्हारी,
तो कश्तियां मत बदलो, दिशा को बदलो।
किनारे बदल जाएंगे, किनारे बदल जाएंगे।
Wonderful performance by you all. Now, I would like to invite Mr. Ramjas Jat for his poem on patriotism.
रहे तिरंगा ऊंचा हरदम, रहे तिरंगा ऊंचा हरदम, बात ये सम्मान की, देशभक्ति वंदे मातरम हर दिल के अरमान की, राणा शिवा भगत सिंह वीरों के बलिदान की, सदा सलामत रहे हमेशा ये धरती हिंदुस्तान की, ये धरती हिंदुस्तान की। देश पे मरने वालों का बलिदान व्यर्थ नहीं जाता और देश पे संकट के बादल गहराए तो ये सच्चे भारतीयों को रास नहीं आता, ये सच्चे भारतीयों को रास नहीं आता। आज के इस समारोह के सम्मान्य मुख्य अतिथि महोदय आदरणीय श्रीमती कक्कड़ एवं श्रीमान कक्कड़ साहब एवं इस मंच को सुशोभित कर रहे हैं परम सम्मानीय सूद साहब एवं हमारे स्कूल के सेक्रेटरी महोदय श्रीमान अनुज जी भूतड़ा साहब, सुशील जी गुप्ता साहब एवं सम्मानित मंच। इस अवसर पर वंदनीय गुरुवर को सादर प्रणाम करता हुआ एवं समस्त मेरे विद्वान साथियों का अभिनंदन करता हूं एवं प्रधानाचार्य श्रीमान संजय जी गुप्ता का तहे दिल से शुक्रगुजार करता हूं कि इस गौरवशाली दिन पर मुझे आप सभी सम्मान्य महानुभावों के समक्ष देशभक्ति कविता प्रस्तुत करने का सौभाग्य प्राप्त हुआ। मैं उन देश के शहीदों का, देश के जाबाजों वीरों का, क्रांतिकारियों का गुणगान करता हूं। रहे तिरंगा ऊंचा हरदम, रहे तिरंगा ऊंचा हरदम, हर दिल की आवाज है, यही हमारी प्रीत प्यार है, यही हमारी प्रीत प्यार है, हम पे इसको नाज है, हम पे इस पे नाज है। चीर दिखा दो सीना अपना, चीर दिखा दो सीना अपना, सजी यही तस्वीर है, इसी मोहब्बत से सजा भारत हमारा आज है, भारत हमारा आज है। रहे तिरंगा ऊंचा हरदम, हर दिल की आवाज है। ये देश है वीर जवानों का, ये देश है वीर जवानों का, जो देश पे जान लुटाते हैं। क्रांतिवीर वो बलिदानी, हंस के सूली चढ़ जाते हैं, हंस के सूली चढ़ जाते हैं। भगत सिंह आजादी यहीं पे, भगत सिंह आजादी यहीं पे जान से अपनी खेले थे। क्या रंग था वो भी देश प्रेम का, क्या रंग था वो भी देश प्रेम का, जहां लगे थे मेले थे। वो राष्ट्र प्रेम ही बोल रहा था, वो राष्ट्र प्रेम ही बोल रहा था, जान अपनी लुटाएंगे मर के अमर हो जाएंगे, पर सर कभी ना झुकाएंगे, पर सर कभी ना झुकाएंगे। राह पे हमारी साथ चलेंगे, राह पे हमारी साथ चलेंगे। सैलाब एक दिन आएगा, आने वाला कल का सूरज, आने वाला कल का सूरज इंकलाब लेकर आएगा, इंकलाब लेकर आएगा। फिर से होगा स्वर्णिम भारत, फिर से होगा स्वर्णिम भारत। दौर नया फिर आएगा, गम की अंधेरी रात ढलेगी, गम की अंधेरी रात ढलेगी। सुख का सूरज आएगा, सुख का सूरज आएगा। ये देश है वीर जवानों का, ये देश है वीर जवानों का, जो देश पे जान लुटाते हैं। क्रांतिवीर वो बलिदानी, क्रांतिवीर वो बलिदानी, जो देश पे जान लुटाते हैं, जो देश पे जान लुटाते हैं। ये रहे तिरंगा ऊंचा हरदम, रहे तिरंगा ऊंचा हरदम, हर दिल की आवाज है। रहे तिरंगा ऊंचा हरदम, हर दिल की आवाज है। जय हिंद।
वाह, क्या बात है, बहुत ही शानदार प्रस्तुति। Now continue with our song competition. 2 more houses are left. To continue the program, I call Amber House Master Mr. Mukesh Verma and House Associates Mrs. Riti Berari, Mrs. Neha Jaiswal, Mrs. Kirti Goyal, Mr. Gaurav Kakani as associates. And the song is तुम समय की रेत पर छोड़ते चलो निशान, देखती तुम्हें जमीन, देखता है आसमान।
Thank you. बात करे होने गए हंसते हुए हम सफर बात करे होने गए आगे आगे बढ़ता चले जिंदगी का कारवां जिंदगी का कारवां समय धीरे सफर छोड़ के चलो निशान समय धीरे सफर छोड़ के चलो निशान देखता है आसमां देखता है आसमां
Thank you all. It is truly sad that a teacher is an artist, dancer, singer, player as per the need of a child. And in this pandemic, our teachers has proved it. So big round of applause to all of us. After melodious song of Amber House, last but not the least, Agni House, with his housemaster, Mr. Hitendra Mahul, and associates Mrs. Sonia Sharma, Mrs. Indra Supal, Mrs. Manju Nair, Mrs. Anandi Rama, Mrs. Nisha Samriya, and Mr. Pink Soni are invited with their song धरती की शान तू है, मनु की संतान तू है, मनुष्य तू बड़ा महान है, मनुष्य तू बड़ा महान है।
Thank you.
Very well, son. A big thanks to all the teachers for making the surrounding full of melody, zeal and patriotism. Now, I would like to take the privilege to call our Honorable Chief Guest, Mr. Rajesh Kakkad, for sharing his valuable, inspirational and motivational words with us. Please, sir.
Good afternoon. Dear students, teachers, principal sahib, and my dear friends. Many congratulations and best wishes for the 72nd Republic Day of India. As you all know, India was declared sovereign republic on 26 January 1950. We gained independence after a lot of sacrifice, and many leaders like Bal Gangadhar Tilak, Subhash Chandra Bose, Jawaharlal Nehru, Mahatma Gandhi, Bhagat Singh, and many others laid their lives and worked hard for independence of this country. We should consider ourselves very fortunate that we are living in this beautiful country where any color, any caste, any creed, person living in any state, working anywhere have same rights. This is due to this beautiful constitution which was written with a team led by Dr. Ambedkar. You must go through this constitution. Some Nukkad Natak was played by teachers explaining 5 or more fundamental rights. You must read our constitution. It is a beautiful document. a big document prepared after consulting many constitutions of the world. This country has been a leading lighthouse for the other countries where democracy is not there. We, as a big, largest democracy in this world, are very proud of it. So you must consider yourself very fortunate that you are born in this country, and you should strive to maintain the dignity of this constitution. As you know, last year was very tough, not only for you, your family, your school, your city, or this country, but it was tough for all the world, whole of the world. Many people lost their lives, some lost their jobs. Many people could not meet their relatives, their sons, their mother, their sisters for many months. Some people were stuck somewhere, maybe outside the country. This was unprecedented. Who would have thought the teachers will be performing before the students? When students were not coming to the school, we had a function in August where teachers performed. Even today, teachers are performing and students are sitting and enjoying their teachers performing before them. These are not normal days. Normalcy has still not returned. You must take care of your health, of your near and dear ones. We have to save ourselves from this pandemic, COVID or Corona. You have been told number of times that you have to wear mask, wash your hands, and keep distance from each other to the extent possible so that you are not infected. Luckily, this pandemic is dying down in our country, but you never know when the second wave comes. So, with that, there should, with complete care, you have to be in the school. Administration has allowed us to open the school for senior classes. You should be very careful when you are attending, because you will be meeting lot of people in your house, and when you come here, so your contacts are multiplied. You are meeting different people coming from different areas of the city. You have to be very careful so that no untoward incident happens. Nobody should get infected, and that infection must not spread to other students, teachers, or any other body. It's our responsibility to take care about ourselves and our friends. It's correct that you have been missing the school. Education has been at the back burner. It's very difficult to study without school, staying at home or doing online classes. Kudos to our teachers who took up this responsibility and they took online classes, and all students may not find it too conducive for studies, and I will request our teachers and administration of the school to take care of each and every student who has lagged behind. Maybe somebody couldn't get proper educated through online classes. All of us together must put effort so that not a single student is left behind. He is taught properly. Maybe extra hours are put for him. We should see that nobody is left behind, and we have to make up for the lost time. We do not know what will happen about other classes. We are hoping that they will open soon, but I feel that students have missed the school, and they must have missed the education also, which they would have thought that they must be preparing themselves this year. So you have not to be disheartened, you have to fight upon such event. This was unprecedented event for the whole of the world. So don't get depressed. and don't feel left out if you are unable to get yourself up to the mark with online classes. Just take help of your friends, ask your teachers again and again, and try to make up what has been lost in the recent past. Many years are left of your life, so you don't worry that few months have been lost and it is the end. It is not the end. Nothing is going to happen. Let that time be lost and it is gone forever now. You must look forward and see that you study and try to keep up with the education skills. You have to teach yourself so that you pass the exams and again you are back to the pavilion. I am sure our teachers have tried their best during this pandemic time in teaching their online classes, and you have also worked hard. If you have any suggestion, do let us know how we can keep up and make up with the lost time so that you fare well in your examinations, which will soon be holding, I think, in the month of March. So be prepared, put extra effort, and I hope you will not leave any stone unturned and study hard to get good marks and wish for your betterment in the near future. Life is ahead of us. Don't worry, this period will be over. I would like to thank all the teachers and the school staff who have taken a lot of efforts even in this pandemic time to teach their students. Wish you all the best, and once again many congratulations and best wishes for this very important day of 26th January, our Republic Day. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. Now, before we end, I would like to invite, like to call Anurag Vyas. Just get one token of love for him and request our chief guest to please honor this boy. He had played the Tongo for all of us. Now, along with him, Divyanshi, you go down and get these two and one more. The bigger one and two this. Now, I would like to call upon the outgoing council vice captains. Both of you, please be here. So, hurry up, children. And the team leader, Master Dushyant Sharma. Thank you so much, sir. Now the result for House Bulletin and group song, and honor goes to Prithvi House. Prithvi House teachers and master, please come on the stage. And I would like to request Mr. Kakkar to please honor these teachers. All of you come. Thank you so much, sir.
हमें हमारी मातृभूमि में इतना मिला दुलार है, उसके आंचल की छाया में छोटा यह संसार है। हम न कभी हिंसा के आगे अपना शीश झुकाएंगे, सच पूछो तो पूरा विश्व ही हमारा ही परिवार है। Now, at the end of today's celebration, I would like to invite our school captain, Ms. Divyanshi Rathore, for vote of thanks. Thank you.
Greetings to one and all present here. I deem it a great honor and pleasure to thank all the dignitaries assembled here. I would like to thank Mr. and Mrs. Kakkar along with other dignitaries who have honored this function with their presence. I would also like to thank our beloved principal sir, respected teachers, staff members and students. Once again, I thank all of you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
आजादी के मतवालों का देखा जब से टोला, आग जो मेरे दिल में थी वो भड़की बन के शोला। जागा कुर्बानी का जज्बा, मेरा दिल ये बोला, मेरा रंग दे, हो मेरा रंग दे, हमारे रंग में बसंती जो